Moving over to Kerala, amid protest from the opposition, Kerala Governor Arif Mohammed Khan has now signed the Kerala Police Act Amendment Ordinance there to rein in on growing cyber attacks. According to the new law, a police officer can now suo motu register a case against the accused and arrest him. The law stipulated either imprisonment or up to 5 years in prison or both. In fact, the law intends to stop bullying, defamation on social media. The Congress-led opposition there has been opposing this ordinance. Former Finance Minister Chidambaram has said that he is shocked by the new law and called this an atrocious move by the Vijayan government.
This amendment and the resulting ordinance is the clear-cut violation of the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India.
Now we're cutting across to Gopi, joining us for more details on that. Gopi, can you tell us what is the reaction of the people in Kerala on this latest amendment and what is this really all about?
Oh, well, the new amendment in the Kerala Police Act has not really gone down well with the opposition. The opposition, including the Congress and the BJP, are already up in arms against the state government. So this particular act, or the amendment in the act, the state government says is a way to ensure that people who indulge in derogatory remarks and who are trying to bully women and children on social media, this act intends to put them under bars. But for the opposition and also for other sections of the society, this is a curtail on the freedom of expression. The new section of the 118A of the Kerala Police Act, this will actually ensure punishment or fine to people who indulge in any derogatory remark or who actually share any kind of content on the media which can actually be interpreted as derogatory or defamatory against any person. And the basic problem that many people see with this particular amendment is that this does not really limit itself to social media. There is no particular remark or a reference that this is only meant for social media, but this can be interpreted in the larger canvas of any particular media. And that is one reason why the KUWJ, the Kerala Union of Working Journalists, they have also raised concern against this particular act. And we will certainly have to wait and watch on how is the government going to deal with it and what is the kind of response that the government has to give in this particular act and amendment that they have made now.
Right. Gopi, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.